also amazed to see what a wonderful headcount of students, parents, and alumni has turned up for this event. And if I speak of KIIT, it is more than a blessing to be a student of KIIT, because now, over the 10 years of my experience, the major contribution, I would say, belongs to KIIT, and this moment is even more delightful for me because not only we have KIIT representation, but the school from where I studied, St. Paul School, Catherine ma'am is also here, and I hope she's able to recognize me, but yeah, we used to learn English composition from her, and yeah, it's really a very special moment for me. I would just like to share my experience. I've been working in the IT industry for more than 10 years. So I've worked in companies like TCS, Royal Bank of Scotland, Fidelity International, and SHL, and AKQA, and now I'm working for NK System, Ukraine. It is a Ukraine-based company, and we are working with our clients based out of in America, which is Warner Music. If you, many of you must have watched Warner movies made by Warner Movies. So they have a music business as well, where they do music licensing, and we create the platform for enabling the licensing. So yeah, and I would also like to mention, make a point to all the students, especially to the students which are from non-IT branches, for example, electrical branch, mechanical and civil. I am also passed out of electrical branch in 2010, and now I'm working as a lead engineer in an MNC, and I've also worked as a technical lead in different companies. So it hardly matters which branch you have studied from, what subjects you are studying, but what matters more is how willing you are to learn, how willing you are to grab the opportunity. If you get placed, since Sarah said the KIIT has a very high placement record, all of you, or majorly every one of you, will get placed. But then what after that? After getting placed, how much fight are you putting in your everyday job? How much you are fighting or striving to learn more and more? That will determine what success you achieve in your careers. And especially speaking of the IT industry, I want to bring the attention of all the students. IT industry currently in India holds enormous potential. If you see the economy, it is driving the economy of India. And not only driving the economy of India, it is for people belonging to middle class or lower middle class background, it is providing such a wonderful platform to earn well, to do well, not just earn well. Money is a byproduct. What is primary is what you are doing with your life, what your time, your lifespan, what contributions you are making. And IT industry is such enormous. They have such enormous potential and opportunities that all of the students, if you strive, you can achieve enormous heights in your career. So as I remember, certain students create hacker rank profiles, and these kind of things, not just the subjects you study. You write a paper, you get marks, and you pass out. It is only one part of your curriculum that you are doing here. The other part is what else you are doing from yourself. How much technologies you are learning, how much grasp you are getting of the concepts. That will help you more exceed well in your career. So, and a brief note, I would also like to highlight to the students, I created my YouTube channel where I create educational videos for computer programming students. The name of the channel is SPS Tech, and I'd be glad if you can take a look at the channel, and maybe you can post some questions on there. We can have interaction. The motive of all the videos in the channel is to encourage students as how simple and exciting software development is. So whenever you get time, I would be obliged if you could just visit the channel, and I'll be happy to interact with all the students. I also started my own company which I'm running parallelly with my job. So I'll also be in need of freelancers and new hires, fresh hires. So I'll be very keen on talent. I can definitely, I'm pretty sure there will be definitely be some good talent in this crowd. If not in this crowd, in this batch who is currently studying in KIT. I'll be glad to discuss with them, and maybe as business grows, we'll also onboard some of the talented individuals, be it KIT or outside the market. So I thank you all for listening. Do check out my channel, and I love to interact with all the students who want to do well in IT field. Thank you.